Hi there! The Amazon Dot was easily the best device to recommend for a bedside speaker. So for those who don't know, Echo speakers work as Bluetooth speakers to play music from your phones, control smart home devices like smart lights, security cameras, set alarms, set timers, and of course Alexa voice control to play the song of your choice. The new Echo Dot comes with a built-in digital clock, and finally all Alexa devices can be communicated in Hindi. जी हाँ, अब आप Alexa से हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं. Alexa बन गई देसी. No longer is it restricted to English. Imagine the reach of these devices since you can speak to them in Hindi now. So here is the newly launched Echo Dot with clock. Let's quickly unbox it. Let's see the clock. Let's see how it works in Hindi and a lot more. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. Here is the retail packaging of the Echo Dot with clock. On the front you see the picture. This is a white device with the clock on the front. On the right of the device you see it's written LCD display, 3.5 aux audio out, Bluetooth, far-field voice control, microphone on and off. Compatible with thousands of skills. Here are a few. Here we see the manufacturing date, the MRP and a few more details. On the side we see keep your day on track, information at a glance and some more details. Let's quickly open the box. On the top we see the Echo Dot. Let's keep it aside and let's see what else is inside. Here is some paperwork and an instruction manual, the Echo Dot white with clock and the power adapter. Let's quickly peel off the plastic cover. Having a look at the device, with the fabric grille and sleek rounded design, the smart speaker makes an attractive addition to any home. The Echo Dot with clock comes in white only currently. On the top are 4 mics and 4 buttons. Volume plus and minus buttons, Alexa mute button and setup button. When you activate Alexa using your voice, the signature blue ring that runs around the top edge of the speaker will light up. The same ring lights red when the device is kept at mute, which means it won't wake up to an Alexa call. At the back of the Echo Dot, you'll find a power input and an auxiliary 3.5 jack that can be used to connect an additional speaker. Handy if you want to beef up your sound for a party or lend your regular dumb speaker some Alexa smart features. Setup is super simple. All you need is to download the Alexa app on your smartphone and follow the instructions. Name your speaker, connect to Wi-Fi and create different voice profiles. You can create and set up voice profiles on the app and the Echo replies accordingly with your name and saves your music preference too. Pretty neat. In the setup itself, you can choose the language as English or Hindi. A few more language options are also available. There is also a multi-language option. Let's select English/Hindi, where it will reply in the language she is spoken to and alerts and notifications will begin in primary language. I think this should be perfect for all. You can add thousands of skills. Skills are what apps are for your phone. These include everything from music to radio streaming services to skills that let you turn your smart lights on and off. I've added Ghana, Hangama and some radio skills. By default, when you ask it to play a track, it will play from Amazon Music, provided you have Prime subscription. It also supports Apple Music, so if you have a saved playlist, you just ask it and it will play. While the Echo Dot with clock shares many of the same features as its predecessor, it comes with a few extras. Digital LED clock in the front. The LED display also adjusts to the brightness to your room, so it won't blind you in the darkness and it gets bright enough for you to see it in full sunlight. When you ask Alexa to set a timer, it will visibly count down with the LED display. Very handy if it's placed in the kitchen when you are cooking. And if you ask for a weather report, the temperature will be displayed too. When we change the volume, it shows the level on the display. It ranges from 0 to 10, 0 being minimum and 10 being maximum. Apart from that, there isn't much the display does, but isn't supposed to. Having the time and timer on a petite speaker like this is good enough. Finally, let's see how well it works, that too in Hindi. Alexa, Namaste.
नमस्ते, मैं आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकती हूँ?
अलेक्सा बॉलीवुड के लेटेस्ट गाने बजाओ। अलेक्सा वर्कआउट म्यूजिक चलाओ।
प्लेलिस्ट क्रॉसफिट वर्कआउट Amazon म्यूजिक पर।
अलेक्सा किशोर कुमार के गाने सुनाओ।
Amazon म्यूजिक पर किशोर कुमार के गाने ये रहे।
अलेक्सा भजन सुना दो।
प्लेलिस्ट जय जगन्नाथ।
अलेक्सा वॉल्यूम कम कर दो। अलेक्सा वॉल्यूम 2 नंबर। अलेक्सा वॉल्यूम 7 नंबर। Alexa, stop. I can easily say a lot of Echo speakers are going to make their way to Indian houses. It responds very well to Hindi song requests, setting alarms and a lot more. In a country where not everyone speaks in English, having Hindi support on Echo is brilliant. Especially with multi-language settings, everyone can use it. So many grandparents are simply going to love this. Moving to the sound quality. Alexa, play copyright-free music from Hungama. Well, the Echo Dot isn't exactly known for its audio quality, it performs surprisingly good for its size. At higher volumes, we notice some distortion. It also depends on the genre of music. Bass is pretty basic. Trebles and mids are impressive though. You won't get the kind of clarity you expect from a bigger and more audiophile focused speakers. But if you're looking for something to play soft music by your bedside, the Echo Dot with clock works just fine. However, to get that party experience, you can easily connect it to your existing home theater or soundbar via the aux cable. Also, I'd like to mention this isn't your regular portable Bluetooth speaker. It will need a power source and a Wi-Fi connection to work. Yes, you can use it with a mobile hotspot. It might not be the best way since hotspot connections aren't the most stable, but yes, that's an option which will work. If you're looking for a budget-friendly speaker that can control your smart home and play some songs, the Amazon Echo Dot with clock could make a fantastic addition to your home. It has a smart design with an addition of an LED display that makes ideal for a bedside companion. It's a no-brainer to get the clock variant if you're planning to buy the Echo Dot, unless you want to save some buck. The Echo Dot without the clock is priced at $2,999 and the one with the clock is priced at $5,499. Both are best entry-level speakers to hop into the Echo platform. I'll leave the links in the description. If you want to buy one, do check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments if there are any questions. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.